Your tenure as Colonial Magistrate is suspended, pending an official investigation of your affiliation with the Sons of Korhal. Receiving incoming transmission.
Hey man, Arcturus' boys sprung me from the prison ship. Apparently they're as frustrated with the Confederates as we are. I know their reputation, but they seem to be on the level. I think Arcturus wanted to speak with you.
Commander, Mar Sara is almost completely overrun by the Zerg. The Confederates are abandoning the planet, and so are we. However, there is one thing I'd like to do before we leave. I want you to raid this colony's Confederate outpost and retrieve whatever design or weapons schematics that you can find in their networks. With the chaos of the Confederates' evacuation, you shouldn't have any trouble getting in or out of their installation.
I'm into it.
Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. You got Raider here. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on. Sounds fun. Right on. Oh yeah. This should be good. Sounds fun.
You rebel scum. Hey, you're not allowed in here.
This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. Right on. Sounds fun. This should be good. Oh yeah. Commander. Outstanding. This is Jimmy. This should be good. Oh yeah. Right on. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Right on. This should be good. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Right on. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on. Sounds fun. Rainer here. Go ahead, Commander. Oh yeah. This should be good. Right on. Sounds fun. Right on.
Teleportation field activated.
Anytime you're ready. Jacked up and good to go. Give me
Unauthorized entry detected.
Sounds fun. Oh yeah. This should be good. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. It's them. Blast them. This should be good. Right on. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Right on. Oh yeah. This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Right on. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Sounds fun. This should be good. Oh yeah. Right on. Sounds fun. Hey, we found the plans, man. Have the transports waiting when we come out.
Instructions. Affirmative. Commencing.